People keep asking me, coming to me and asking me, Sadhguru, please bless us, nothing should happen to us. I say, hey, what kind of blessing is this? My blessing is let everything happen to you. Everything that's life must happen to you. Have you come here to avoid life or have you come here to experience life? Please, you must make a decision right now. Have you come here to avoid life or to experience life? Experience life. I'm not saying you should not fall in love with somebody, but understand, it doesn't pay to be unhappy, depressed or sick. Being joyful and ecstatic pays, and if it doesn't pay, who cares? This is what is happening to a whole lot of people. When they aspire for what they want and go at it, their body breaks down, their mind breaks down, something happens simply because they have not strived to enhance this. First you enhance this, activity will open up in the world for you. But you are in a rush for the goals that you have set up already. Because of that, you don't spend time on the… If you do not enhance the machine, activity cannot be enhanced. Stress will happen, breakdown will happen. We have come here to live. There is no other damn purpose. Those of them who want to go to heaven can go today. Why are they postponing? If it's such a great place, I don't see why you should postpone it, isn't it so? This is very important for the youth. If anybody says there is a better place than this earth, it is a crime. It's because of that we have destroyed so many things here. If you think life is a race, you must be at the finish line today. I can tell you how. You want to go there? No. This is not a race. This is a tremendous privilege that we have come as human beings. This means our ability to experience life is of a much larger proportion than any other creature on this planet. That is the significance of who we are. So what are you fearful about? Something that will happen or you think will happen, isn't it? Fear is always about something which does not exist right now, it's always about what will happen. So you are suffering that which does not exist. Confidence is a dangerous damn thing. Most stupid things in the world are done because somebody is confident without any clarity about it. Most idiotic and disastrous things are done by people who have confidence without clarity. If your thought process happened the way you want, would you ever be miserable? Misery is not because there's something wrong with your life. Misery is not because something is going wrong with the life situations. Misery is not because your life is not happening the way you want it. Largely, misery is simply because your thought is not happening the way you want it.